Hey everybody, welcome back to First, and today we are going take 2, maybe, it might be take 3, with these unbroken bonds. We've had it. Our luck's been terrible with these. And yes, we know the pull rates are very low, but still, by this time we'd have to get something good. We also have a team up and a Lost Thunder. So we'll do a repeat of last time. So we'll open up the team up first, then we'll do the Lost Thunder, and then we'll do the Unbroken Bonds. And then hopefully, just hopefully, we'll get that Meltang and Lucario. Home Edge, Pidgeotto, Nidoran, Cosmog, Magikarp, Energy, Fairy Charm, Wartortle, Pupitar, Electronic Charger. First booster pack, we got a full art trainer. Oh my gosh. Oh, that's the first I pulled on the channel. Wow. First booster pack. Oh, that is great. Holy moly. That's why we never give up on the team ups. We never give up on team ups. Or the tag teams, whatever you want to call them. We never give up on them. The pull rates are the highest, I think, on any other booster pack. We've gotten so much. Route, Dedenne, Steve, Pineco, Eevee, Fire Energy, Stamler, Steve Jr., Giraffic, second booster pack. We got a GX. That's gonna be a Herald. I can't pronounce that. That's going to be a Herald. So we got 2 out of the first 2 booster packs. Just like last time, we got 2 holos. So we're probably going to get skunked on these team ups. Or no, not team ups, Unbroken Bonds. Because pull rates are just awful on these. But maybe if I'm lucky enough, just maybe, I can manage to get those into my collection. Oh boy. Oops, forgot to do the card trick. I think I did that right. Energy, Gloom, Drio, I think. Eradicate, Kligar, Steve, Glamau, Growlithe, Ghastly, Raichu. Oh my god! We did it! We got one! We did it! We finally did it! We got a Greninja and Zoroark! Oh, this is great. Oh, look at that. Oh. Wow. Okay, we got 2 booster packs left. What if we can get more? That just make my day. Holy smokes, that. Hit that like and subscribe, because holy smokes, we're smashing these. Litten, Clefairy, Seal, Kligar, Steve, Water Energy, Martial Arts, Dojo, Fairy Charm, Poliwhirl, Jigglypuff, Porygon Z. It's a holo. Okay, we got the streak. It's still going. Oh my gosh, though. We actually did it. And honestly, I thought we were gonna be here and have to buy the most expensive merchandise that for the Unbroken Bonds to get anything good. Turns out I was wrong, because we just got one. Cottony, Ekans, Carvana, Linton, Clefairy, Energy, triple Energy, Fairy Charm, Dryro, Ghastly. Oh my gosh, we did it! A second one! This is like one of the greatest days ever. We got two. Two of them. I don't even know what to say about this. But I guess I got one thing to say. We got one more booster pack. Let's do this. We actually did it though. It's unbelievable. We actually did it. Okay, the struggle is real on this. And no, not energy code card. I'm too excited right now. Oh my god, I can't get over this. Wurmple, Poplio, Skiddo, Onyx, Ralph, Energy, Delibird, Bayleaf, Saluidoo, Oil and Meowth, and a Wigglytuff. My gosh. I mean, the rares in this are almost useless now, because out of every booster pack, we got so let's go over highlights here. I'd say coming in first, we got this Greninja and Zoroark, just because they're two of like in my top 10 favorite Pokemon, and they're made into one card. So that's coming in first. Its attacks are Dark Pulse and Dark Union. Then we got Gardevoir, something like that, and then Sylveon, Fairy Song, Kaleid Storm, I think, Magical Miracle, and then coming in third, we got Morgan Full Art, because that's the first one we've ever pulled, the first full art we've ever pulled on the channel. So we're gonna wrap this up. Go out there, be kind, be yourself, and go out and help somebody. You just saw it first.